the day after, and utility crews were once again dealing with the aftermath of a strong windstorm. One spokesman describing it as a mess.
A lot of trees and branches down, some temporary repairs. Sometimes wires may be on the ground as well.
At the height of the storm, the state's largest utility, Eversource, reported nearly 100,000 customers without power. But by mid-morning Tuesday, there were less than 1,000. For New Hampshire Electric Co-op, it was a similar situation. Monday at noon, the utility had more than 16,000 customers out.
The winds picked up rapidly and caused a significant amount of damage in a pretty short amount of time.
By mid-morning Tuesday, that number was less than 1,000, thanks in part to some international help.
We were fortunate enough to catch a large number of crews that were actually working at a utility in a neighboring state, and were headed back to New Brunswick, and we diverted them all here.
NHEC says most of the work that remains involves removing trees, but the progress in restoring power is often incremental.
Here on the second day of an outage restoration, things get a little slower because oftentimes you may be doing the same amount of work, but restoring fewer and fewer people as you go.
As for what can be done to mitigate outages like this in the future, Eversource says it's investing $27 million this year in their tree cutting program. And NHEC says it's cutting within 30 feet of its power lines.
But as anyone who's taken a drive on the roads in New Hampshire can tell you, there's a lot of trees that are taller than 30 feet.
Eversource says the bulk of its power should be back by 5 o'clock this afternoon. NHEC says if you don't have your lights on back by 8 o'clock this evening, we'll give them a call. Reporting live in Manchester, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.